How did the hijackers treat you in the plane?
Well, in the beginning, there was a lot of shouting. There was, they tried to beat some people, but later on they were more friendly.
How did the hijackers treat you during the time you were on flight?
On the flight, they kept us frightened as best they could so they could control us, I think.
By what means?
Well, they kept telling us to lower our heads, don't look out the windows, keep your heads down, so forth. They kept threatening to blow up the plane, whatever else.
And once you were grounded, how was the situation then?
The situation improved, but they kept reassuring us that we'd be okay, that they did not intend to harm us.
I am the leader of the hijackers. My name is Captain Awil Adami, and my friend is Ahmed Haji Mohammed Adan and Bashir Musa Mohammed. So that I was feeling tired. My friend Bashir, he will give you the statement, full information about our hijackers. So that
the international community does not come to help of the struggling Somali masses, even more desperate actions will be forced upon them. Considering, however, that our objective is not to hurt innocent people, but to help them. The humanitarian nature of
and the person of Somalia, the government of Somalia, are taking a guarantee to save the Somali students and others. And that succeed is behind of helping of Ethiopians. Ethiopians, they try to save the passengers, our service, and which the students and the diplomatics, they are arrested in the central jails of Somalia.